guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm gonna be doing my eyebrow tutorial.
With these lying niggas, baby, I just need a thug. Won't you be my plug, ayy? You could be the one, ayy.
So I had posted something on my Snapchat not too long ago about something that I've been seeing a lot lately with girls doing their eyebrows, and I'm not a professional makeup artist. I don't do hella makeup anyways, so you know my input might not even be valid, but I know it's valid enough to share this, okay? But so pretty much when I had posted that post, a lot of people were like, oh my god, your eyebrows are really really nice. I don't want to be on some cocky shit, but and I just want to make it very clear there are two ways that I do my eyebrows. There's the full on, you know, fill them in, conceal them, boom 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 boom, and then there is the straight conceal. I usually go for that one because my eyebrows are so full as it is. I really don't need to go all in, shape, all that to where they look crazy different, or not different, but like, you know what I mean. I don't gotta explain that shit. I don't know how else to explain that shit. Anyways, so we're just gonna get in this motherfucking video, okay? I'm talking too damn much. So again, I'm in my mom's kitchen. I don't know if she's gonna see this, how she's gonna think about this, but hey, mom. So I'm just gonna go in and show you guys the tools and shit that I use. So I use this eyebrow brush, which has a spoolie on one end, and then the angled, I can't even fucking talk, the angled on the other end. And this actually came with the eyebrow product that I have. I use a concealer brush. This is the, I don't know, Cala brand. It literally says C-A-L-A. I found these brushes at Marshall's. Most of the brushes that I have are from Marshall's, including this one. This is a highlighter brush, but I use this to powder my eyebrows. The eyebrow product that I use is the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in the color 380 Deep Brunette. And it just looks a little something like this. The concealer that I use to conceal my brows is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. My favorite concealer ever. And then I also kind of sometimes use the Maybelline Age Rewind concealer, but I'm not going to use that today. So that is all the products. And then I use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Setting Powder. So I'm so excited. All right, so the first thing that I usually do, first of all, let's get it very clear. You want to make sure you clean up your eyebrows, which is like you're plucking or getting on wax, whatever you do. For me, I pluck my eyebrows. Don't let nobody fucking touch my eyebrows because they always fuck them up. I need to stop cussing. This eyebrow is way different than this one. This is my best eyebrow. This one is my shitty ass eyebrow. When I got my eyebrow waxed, my lady literally cut all this off. Tail end. Fuck you. Woo, you guys are all up in my motherfucking face. Up in personal shit. Okay. So pretty much all I do is dip it in. Dip. Excuse that pimple again. Excuse my pimply ass face. Okay. I start right here at that, like the middle of your brow. Fuck, this is gonna be hard as shit. You know why? Because talking during the brows is not a thing. Ladies, you know what I'm talking about. So you want to start right here, because that's where you want your, you know, your lining to be more sharp. I don't know what the fuck I just said, but do your line underneath. Where I mainly focus the fill is at the top, because there's not much hair at the top on this eyebrow. Like, this eyebrow looks pretty much full, ready to go, but not this one. So I kind of just, you know, take it and lightly, or no, focus that shape at the top, and I just go ahead and fill it in. You can tell that that is like mainly product, and that's what happens with this brow pretty often because it is so fucked up. This is my main concern and my main tip for eyebrows. I've seen a lot of girls go real crazy with the product right here at the front of the brow, which if that's your preference and you like that, by all means go ahead. But you want your brow to be light up here and then fade into the natural brow shade. Kind of just let the remaining product left on the brush kind of just shade that in. You start at the, you know, the bottom of your brow. You want to get that that bottom line in, and then work your way in. You know, fill in that front piece. And when you're doing your brows, your best friend is this spoolie. If you mess up, all you have to do is just brush it out. Brush it out. But right now, these brows are looking real nice. But I'm pretty much going to do the same thing with this side of my brow. Again, you want to start right here in that center brow. Again, do the top line. Again, use the excess product on your brush. I'm sorry if I'm stuttering. I really suck at explaining shit. Like, honestly, it's very hard for me to explain stuff and do it at the same time. So you can kind of see that this brow is more, you know, darker up here than this one. So all I'm going to do is brush it out. And then you want to just brush out your whole brow, you know, blend it out really well. So now that we have them filled in, I'm going to take my concealer and just put a little bit right here. And I say a little bit because I don't use that much concealer at all. So I literally just put that much on my wrist or whatever that is. Not my wrist. Fuck, man. Damn. So I'm just going to dip my brush in and lightly conceal it. After I pretty much have the product set where I want it, I go in with my finger because that's better for me. I don't know, I feel like my finger blends out better. Right here. Put the product where you need it, girl. Put that product there, girl. Lightly. These aren't the best angles, but I'm genuinely sorry. I can't really help it. Again, blend it out with my finger. I'll mess with them for a little bit more. So now I'm just going to take some loose setting powder. Tap it out. And just, you know, set that concealer. So that is pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. Brows on fleek. Brows on fleek. So I'm sitting here editing this video, and it kind of ends really quick and really fast and really awkward. So I just want to give a brief explanation of everything, especially because the angles weren't really the best. Pretty much you just want to take your time. It's going to take practice to get to a good point in filling your eyebrows, and then conceal them. And if you want a natural brow like mine, lightly conceal them just so you can have that sharp shape. Don't go crazy, because if you don't wear a full face of makeup like I do, it won't look right, because you're gonna have makeup up here and then nothing down here. And then you want to set it so your concealer doesn't crease, and that's what I meant to say like way back in the video. And that is pretty much it. That is all I do. Hopefully you guys got the idea, but yep, that's it.